I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the first actions. Open services. MSC and verify Windows search is running. If not, set it to automatic delayed start and start it. Once done, open Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot and run the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter to detect common issues. You should also record recent changes like updates or app installs because those explain why indexing might stop. This helps prioritize fixes and saves time as you move into deeper repair steps. Once the troubleshooter completes, rebuild and reset the core components. Open indexing options, choose Advanced and click Rebuild. This forces a fresh catalog and fixes missing results, though it can take time. Make sure to stop the Windows search service via PowerShell before removing a damaged Windows EDB file, then restart the service to regenerate the database. Also reset the search/Cortana process or run DISM and SFC to repair underlying system files, so search services operate reliably and return accurate results. Finish by validating results. Test Search and Start, File Explorer, and settings to confirm indexing restored functionality and speed. If problems persist, create a new user profile to see if the issue is profile-specific, or roll back the latest Windows update as a diagnostic move. Make sure to back up the Windows EDB file before deleting and use System Restore when repairs fail. This preserves your data and gives you a reliable rollback path. If you need more help, note exact error messages for targeted assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.